Hello students, let's see figure of speech. Figure of speech is a way of expressing or narrating or saying something. Figure of speech is used by the poets in poem, by writers in stories and speech, and used in music, television, ads by everyone in day-to-day life. Figure of speech is a usage of some words which creates a picture or drawing in the mind of reader or listener to convey the meaning of speech faster. What is the purpose of figure of speech? First, that is to bring the clarity in speech. Second, to add the beauty, color and variety to speech to make it more expressive. Let's see further simile. Simile means similar or like. Simile is a direct comparison. Simile is a figure of speech in which two entirely different things, not of the same kind, are compared using the words like or as. Simile is used for comparison of two things have nothing common between them, as is used for direct comparison and like is used to show the resemblance. Resemblance means what? One kind of likeness. Let's see examples. First, king is as brave as lion. First example is, you can see, king is as brave as lion. Second, shopkeeper is as cunning as fox. Third, his thoughts are as deep as ocean. Phrases as simile, you can see here, as red as blood, as hard as diamond, as light as leather, and as blue as sky. Like, she looks like a fairy. The kitten roared like a tiger, and my school is like a prison. Now let's see next metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech that is an implied simile. Metaphor is an indirect comparison between two things or objects which are different from each other but have some common characteristics between them. Let's see that. Metaphor doesn't use like or as word for comparison. Metaphor doesn't do direct comparison by using words like or as, but it takes similarity between two things as granted. Here are some examples you can see here. First, the camel is the sheep of the desert. Similarity, both help people to travel. Second, books are keys to imagination. Here we are similarity here is about thinking or to think. Third, life is a dream. Both have start and end. Here, what is the meaning here? Life is a dream. That means what? Both things like life and dream, both are having means beginning and end. Both are beautiful. Then next one. The world is a stage and men and women are the actors. The world is a stage and men and women are actors, are the actors. Actors play roles. Similarly, men and women performs their roles from their birth to death, right? Then next we will see personification, simplest figure of speech. In a personification, human qualities are given to animals, objects or abstract ideas. Abstract that which cannot be seen or touched, ideas, state of being, feeling, qualities. Animals or non-living objects or abstract ideas talks, behaves or act like a human being. Here are some examples. Opportunity knock door only once, right? Anxiety is sitting on his face. You can see opportunity, it's not a person, right? We are talking about the thing, or the thing which cannot knock at your door, right? So here you can see keywords like animals, objects, ideas, they all are having what? Have human behavior or action or talk. Next, apostrophe. In apostrophe figures of speech, poet addresses the absent person, object or idea, and as if it is present and capable of understanding the talk and replying. Humans talk to animals, objects or ideas as if they are present and capable of replying, right? In apostrophe, figures of speech starts with O or O and has an exclamatory mark. For example, oh my friend Wayne, you seems to be angry. Oh stars, how you twinkle at me. Oh crocodile, stop playing tricks against fishes. Then next we will see alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of same letter, alphabet or sound in words in a sentence. To form alliteration, we need two or more words that have same starting consonant sound. More focus on starting sound than starting later. For example, the monster made marvelous macaroni for me. She made munching muffins for my mummy. Tongue twister. She sells on the seashore. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought some more butter to make the bitter butter better. Once again, Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought some more butter to make the bitter butter better. Just like you are making comedy at your friends, that tongue twister, you know very well. Chandu ke chacha ne chandu ke chachi ko chandi ke chamche se chutney chatai. That kind of comic and comedy that you are making with your friends, right? I hope you understood all the figures of speech, and for more understanding I am sending along with this video written material, so you will get the idea what is the figures of speech. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.